Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Mike. Hey, yeah, so let me just say that you Aussies really support your band. I've got so many comments on what was it? Jimmy Barnes and Johnny Farnham. I think I don't want to wreck those and it was that was awesome, as well as Cold Chisel. Uh and you guys just really back your bands, and I just take my hat off to you. So on one of those comments, somebody had asked me to react to the Tesky brothers. Apparently that's another Australian band, and they wanted to hear Rain and the live version of Rain. So I mean, yeah, man, that's what this is all about, is listening to new stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing started, y'all. Hold on a second. My cup is in the way. Now I can see. Okay, without further ado, I'm gonna get this thing going.
Yeah, is that rain? Are you crying again?
All right, stop. Let's go back and start this guy over again, or this group over again. I'm already digging it. I like the Sam Cooke kind of sound to it. Uh, these guys just have talent. Some of these bands, oh, they just have this talent that, um, I'm a cop, so uh, my my trail that I had to travel was a lot different than what these guys are doing, man. But I didn't have the talent to do what they're doing. So, uh, yeah, this is great. Thanks for this was recommended by George Ibrahim. Thanks, George. We started it over here.
Yeah, is that rain? Are you crying again? Would it be the same if I could hold you, my friend? 'Cause I know it's hard to be alone. A soul with no face is a lonely race. But I know it's hard, and I know it's hard to be alone. Yeah. Now this clown up between us all, and the road ain't so clear. We can still walk home, yeah. 'Cause I know it's hard to be alone. A soul with no face is a lonely place. But I know it's hard, and I know it's hard to be alone.
Yeah, so just let me say that this is way this is what I think of when I think of good, talented music. There's only a few people up on that stage. You don't have pyrotechnics going off. Um, you don't have any of this overproduced feeling or music to make the song sounds good. You have a guy who's got a real talented voice, a real good way of delivering and enunciating. You can understand everything he says. Um, just got a couple of horns, a bass, a rhythm guitar, a lead guitar, a drummer, and that's it, man. You don't have any tune. You don't have any, synthesizers. You don't have any all this big production. And this type of music right here will stand the test of time. You can turn this song on in 20 years, and somebody will be sitting here in this chair going, "Holy shit, these guys are good." Um, why don't they make music like this anymore? You know, um, hopefully I'll be here, but I am in my mid 60s, so that'd be pushing it. But yeah, man, the Tesky brothers' reign, yeah, it's fire. Let's continue on.
And I know it's hard to be alone, to be alone. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so little. Won't you go to the night? I wanna hold ya. Yeah, I know how. 'Cause it's flying night with the thought will fall. I wanna hold ya. Yeah, I know how. Yeah.
Yeah, that's talent.
But here that rain, am I crying again? So with no face, it's a lonely place, but I know it's hard, and I know it's hard to be alone, to be alone. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh. 'Cause I know it's hard, and I know it's hard, but you ain't gonna be, ain't gonna be alone.
Okay, the Tesky brothers' reign. Yeah, you guys down there in Australia have a lot to be proud of. Uh, and I didn't know this. I don't know this about Australia or New Zealand, any other country. Um, we're pretty proud of our bands too. I mean, we make. When I say we, let me take that down so it's easier to see. So, we brag about our 70s music and the Leonard Skinners and the Blackfoots and Peter Frampton. Even though Peter Frampton's from England, I probably shouldn't use that as an example, but we're really kind of uh stingy, or we overdo it when we come to bragging about our bands. But I will tell you, you Aussies have a lot to brag about as well. This was the Tesky brothers. That's just an outstanding group. I could see myself sitting underneath a tree here, an old post oak here in Texas, uh, sipping on a bourbon, listening to this, as you also hear the crickets and, the birds cheering, chirping. So thanks for the reaction. Thanks for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you down the road.